Here's the key to most of my deals today. The Extra Care CRT machine. It's like candy. Hold on. Okay, my first deal is gonna be on the Sycks. Spend $25, get 10 back. I got 2 of these razors for men. It's a 3+1 Sycks Extreme 4. They're $8.99 each. I got 2 of those. And then I got one of the Extreme 3, which is 4 blades, also $8.99. So that's $26.97. I have a $7 printable coupon, and like I said, the CRTs are going to be the key for me this week. So I have a $4 off 25 and a $3 off of 12. And then with my $10 reward that I'm going to get back, it makes them $2.97 for all 3. So I think that's a great deal. Okay, my next deal that I'm going to do is the CoverGirl. Spend 12, get 6. I'm going to get this clear CoverGirl mascara for eye and brow, $6.79. And then I'm going to grab a lippy over here, which is also $6.79. So that would bring me to $13.58. Sorry, my coupons are in my way. I have 2 $2 coupons, which will bring it to $9.58. A $6 Extra Care buck brings it to $3.58. And $2 CRT brings it to $1.58 or 79 cents each. Not a bad deal. Okay, and I think my last deal, I'm gonna get this ageless, absolutely ageless restorative night cream. It's $23.99. I have a 5 off of 22 facial. I have a 5 off of 20 Aveeno facial. I have a 5 off of 20 Aveeno facial. Excuse me. Oops. And I have a 6 off of 24 Aveeno facial. I'm not sure if that'll meet it. I might need to throw something else in. So let me reevaluate. One moment. Okay, so that won't hit my threshold of $24. What I'm going to do is get 2 of these Aveeno Clear Complexion, and they do have the salicylic acid, and they are $8.99 a piece. Sorry, I'm putting them in my cart over here. And 2 of these Aveeno Ultra Calming at $8.49. I scratched it out, but I have it here. So it's $8.99. The total is $26.48. I have $21, so it'll be like $5.48 for all 4 products, or less than $1 a piece. And they don't have the Physicians Formula here in my store, and they're out of the Bark Crisp candy. So that is all my deals at this CVS. Hi guys, I'm back from CVS. It's a little later. I want to go over with you my deals. Unfortunately, the Aveeno didn't work. They wouldn't let me stack all of those CRTs that I got, and so I didn't do that deal. It wasn't that important. That's Alex saying goodbye. So the 2 deals I did, and I have my notebook, handy dandy. I did the CoverGirl deal, which worked out perfectly fine. Like I said in store, it was $13.58 for the 2 of these. I had 2 $2 off coupons, which brought them down to $9.58. I rolled a $6 Extra Care buck, which brought it down to $3.58, and I had $2 CRT, which brought them down to $1.58. This is the clear mascara for brow and eye, which I think I'm going to try it on my brows. And this is the Iced Mauve Shimmer Lipstick. Pretty color. So I got those for 79 cents a piece, so they worked out good. But then when I cashed out, because I was going to do a 2 transactions, it was way lower than I anticipated. So it took me until I got home to figure it out. But I'll tell you what happened. So I got the 3 razors. And they're the men's. These are for my donating. So for 12 razors. I got those, and they came to $26.97. I had the $7 coupon, so it was 7 off of 2. I actually had 2 $7 coupons. Oh, I've been painting. 2 $7 coupons, but I could only use 1 because I got 3. So I handed them my $7 coupon. I had the $3 CRT and a 4 off 25 CRT. And then the $10 extra care bucks should have made it $2.97. It was 0 out of pocket. So what happened when I went through my receipt, which is right here, they took off, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but they took off the 2 off of 7 twice. I think I had one clipped to card, but it should not have triggered. One or the other should have kicked out. So the 2 off of 7 went through twice, which gave me an overage, which paid for the makeup. So, I mean, I still got my $16 back, but instead of spending like 5 or 6 out of pocket, I only spent tax, which was $1.96 out of pocket. And like I said, I just voided the Aveeno. And when you have a deal like that you are not sure if it's going to go through or not, I always do them separate. That way the cashier's not annoyed and I'm not freaking out trying to figure out exactly what coupons aren't going through. It was very clear. The 2 $5, they wouldn't let me use all 3. I guess I would have had to have spent $60. I don't know. Anywho, so I didn't do the Aveeno. Maybe next week there'll be a better deal on it anyway involving an ECB, and then I'll use those CRTs because I got 3 of the 4 today, so they'll be good next week. All right, that's everything. Happy Sunday.